Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice chat on Claude AI using your phone. If you want to talk to Claude instead of typing every message, this feature makes your conversations much easier and more interactive. So, let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone. You can use the Claude AI app if you already have it installed, or you can simply use a web browser on your phone. Both methods can work. So, use whichever option is more convenient for you. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a browser. Open your browser and tap on the search bar at the top. Now, type Claude AI and tap the search button. Once the search results appear, look for the official Claude website and tap on it. This will open Claude AI in your browser. If you already have a Claude account, make sure you're signed in. If you're not signed in, tap on the Sign In option and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Claude AI screen. Now, look around the message area for the voice option or microphone icon. Tap on it to start voice chat. If your phone asks for permission to access the microphone, simply allow the permission so Claude can hear you. Once voice chat is activated, you can start speaking naturally. Instead of typing your questions, simply talk to Claude and it will listen and respond to you. You can ask questions, get help with different tasks, brainstorm ideas, or simply have a normal conversation. This can be especially useful when you don't want to type long messages on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can use voice chat on Claude AI from your phone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.